Hello, beautiful people. My name is Lwanga, founder of Linger Design Studio, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the 2024 design trends we've started to see come up already. So in terms of wall colors, our clients are really looking for that cozy feeling. We're done with the gray and white, and we want warm terracotta and dusty purples. On that same note, we're seeing a lot of plum tones and reds, and even some pinks when it comes to countertop selections. For that checkered pattern, it's very prevalent, and we're seeing a lot more interested applications of unexpected checker tones in terms of the tile. We are still in the midst of seeing two-toned kitchens. That white oak is still very popular, and what we've seen people integrating into their bathrooms is a fluted textured wood door. That same fluted or reeded texture is now applied in glass finishes so that you can see what's in people's kitchen but not see too much detail. Stone shelving is really big, so no longer are we doing the floated shelving when it comes to wood, but adding more stone. Those recessed arches are popular, and I don't see them going away anytime soon. When it comes from transitioning from one space to the other, we love the idea of using thick cased openings to transition from one space to the other. Another popular transition we're seeing is art as room dividers.